MIT-WPU's School of Public Policy and Public Concern for Governance Trust, Pune chapter is jointly organizing Late Shri B. Deshmukh Memorial Lecture Series 2022. The annual public lecture series has been instituted in the honor of Late Shri B. Deshmukh, IAS, former Cabinet Secretary, Government of India, and Principal Secretary to the Prime Minister. The basic objective behind the annual public lecture series is to explore and enlighten the youth and public about the challenges in governance in India. Late Shri Gopal Deshmukh, IAS, was an Indian civil servant and served with distinction in various capacities in Maharashtra and Gujarat. He was secretary to the then Chief Minister of Maharashtra, Vasantrao Naik, and Municipal Commissioner of Bombay. He was appointed Cabinet Secretary in 1986 and in 1989. He was also a secretary in the Ministry of Labour, Central Government, and Chairman of the Governing Board of the International Labour Organization. Shri Deshmukh has several books to his credit named as A Cabinet Secretary Thinks Aloud, A Cabinet Secretary Looks Around, and Pune to the Prime Minister's Office, A Cabinet Secretary Looks Back. He was also the chief guest for the first UPSC National Felicitation Program in 2009. Late Shri B. Deshmukh was a founder trustee of a registered trust called Public Concern for Governance Trust, founded in Mumbai in April 2002. Other two founders of the organization are Shri J.F. Ribeiro, IPS, retired, former Commissioner of Police, Mumbai, and Dr. R.K. Anand, pediatrician, former Medical Director, Deshmukh Hospital and Research Center, Mumbai. Public Concern for Governance Trust came into existence in the year 2002 when good and straightforward officers were being humiliated by the political leadership. The idea of taking up cudgels on behalf of good and honest officers and targeting corruption as the main cause for the choices of the politicians was born. At MIT-WPU School of Public Policy, our endeavor is to create mindful citizens and ambassadors of action. We appeal to kindly participate with your benevolent spirit to carry forward the initiative to make us responsible stakeholders in the public policy.